Welcome! In today's video, I would like to take you along as I decorate for fall. I'm using things that I found from the thrift store and the dollar store. I didn't go out and get these pieces all at once. I've collected them over the year, and most of them I've kept from year to year, so they've held up pretty well. I found this table runner and 4 placemats at the Goodwill for $5.99. I just love the colors. I think it reminds me of fall. For my first setting, I started out with a pie plate that also I got from a thrift store. I believe it was $2.99. I'm going to add a candle that I got from Bath & Body Works, but I bought it last year when the candles went on sale. I also found this 3-tiered candle holder that I'm going to use, but I'm not going to use it for candles. For my second setting, I'm going to embellish this little jug that I got for $2.99. The burlap that I'm using, I've kept it in my Christmas decorations, and each year I get it out and use it for Christmas. But this year I'm going to use it a little early. After making just a simple bow, I'm going to place a cinnamon broom that I got from the dollar store and some greenery. These decorations are going on my tables. They're not elaborate, they're very simple. I just like having little splashes of fall setting around the house. I have a small kitchen table, so I needed something that wouldn't take up a whole lot of room. I have this candle holder that I got from the thrift store and use it. It sits on my kitchen table most all the time anyway. I got out another candle, and I have these little pumpkins. These are from Dollar Tree. They were bright orange, and a couple years ago I spray painted them to make them match my decor a little bit. For my last piece, I have this 2-tier tray that I'm going to decorate. Here's one of those little placemats, and I'm just going to add several things that I had around the house, like this rope and some more of the pumpkins that I painted, and that cute little owl that I also got from the Dollar Tree, I believe last year. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has inspired you to do a thrift store makeover of your own.